Are you ready to finally understand if you qualify for the Canada Pension Boost in 2026? Think about it for a moment: all the years you worked, all the effort you put in, all the mornings you showed up, the late nights, the sacrifices, they all matter, and they all count. This is your time to see that effort turn into something meaningful, something that directly impacts your life and your future. Imagine the relief of knowing exactly what you're entitled to, the excitement of seeing your benefits increase, and the peace of mind that comes from having clarity about your financial future. It's more than just numbers on a page. It's about security, it's about freedom, it's about the confidence to live your retirement on your own terms. For so many people, the rules around pensions and government benefits feel confusing and overwhelming. You may have questions, doubts, even fears: am I eligible? Will I miss out? How much will I get? These are natural feelings, and you're not alone. The truth is, knowing the answers to these questions can change everything. Understanding your eligibility for the Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security updates in 2026 is not just about paperwork or forms, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your future and making sure that every year of hard work is recognized and rewarded. Today, we're going to walk through this together, step by step. We'll explore exactly what it takes to qualify, what criteria you need to meet, and how these changes could affect you and your loved ones. This is your moment to pause, to focus, to make sure you have all the information you need to claim what's rightfully yours. No confusion, no second guessing, just clear, actionable knowledge that gives you confidence. Think about the feeling of seeing your benefits increase for the first time, knowing that the government is supporting the people who have contributed so much over the years. It's a sense of pride, of achievement, and of hope. It's the assurance that your efforts are valued, that your work has made a difference, and that your future can be brighter, more secure, and full of possibility. This is about you, your life, and the rewards you deserve. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 could be a turning point, a real chance to feel relief, excitement, and hope for what's ahead. Think about the journey you've been on all these years. Every day, you showed up, you worked hard, and you made sacrifices, sometimes without recognition, sometimes without pause. And now, as you approach retirement or plan for your future, it's natural to feel a mix of excitement and uncertainty. You've earned so much, yet the rules around pensions and benefits can feel complicated, leaving you wondering: will I get what I deserve? Am I missing something? These feelings are real, and they matter, because your future matters. Understanding your eligibility for the Canada Pension Boost in 2026 is not just about paperwork, it's about reclaiming control and feeling the reward for your lifelong effort. Imagine the sense of relief when you finally see clarity. When you understand the criteria, know exactly what qualifies, and feel confident about the benefits coming your way. It's not just about numbers, it's about validation. Every year you contributed, every dollar you invested, every bit of effort you gave now translates into security for your tomorrow. It's the promise that your work wasn't in vain, that the sacrifices you made were meaningful, and that the system is designed to honor your dedication. That feeling of reassurance, it's priceless. The confusion that often comes with government programs can create stress, but today, that stress can turn into empowerment. You have the power to understand the rules, check your eligibility, and make decisions that directly impact your life. This is your chance to take the mystery out of retirement planning, to replace doubt with confidence, and to step into the future knowing that you're fully informed. It's a feeling of strength, of control, of pride. Picture the joy and peace that comes from knowing your benefits are increasing, that your retirement years can be lived with freedom and security. Imagine waking up without worry, knowing that the Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security updates in 2026 are designed to support people like you, people who worked hard, contributed to society, and now deserve to enjoy the rewards. This is about more than money, it's about respect, dignity, and the ability to embrace your life fully. Every step you take to understand and claim your benefits brings you closer to that sense of hope, pride, and assurance. Your journey matters, your effort matters, and your future can be brighter than ever before. Today is the day you gain clarity, the day you finally take control of your future and feel confident about what you deserve. For so long, the rules around pensions, eligibility, and government programs might have felt confusing, overwhelming, or even frustrating. You may have wondered if you're missing something, or worried that a small detail could affect what you receive. But here's the truth: understanding your eligibility for the Canada Pension Boost in 2026 isn't complicated when you have the right guidance, and knowing this can completely change the way you feel about your future. It's a powerful moment, the moment where uncertainty transforms into empowerment, where fear turns into excitement, and where hesitation gives way to action. Think about what this means for you personally. Every year you contributed to the Canada Pension Plan, every effort you made in your career, every sacrifice you endured, it all matters now. This is the time to see those years of dedication recognized, to know that your hard work is paying off in a very real, tangible way. The Canada Pension Boost and the Old Age Security Updates are more than numbers on a page. They are a promise, a reflection of your effort, and a doorway to a future filled with security and possibility. Imagine opening that door, feeling the weight lift off your shoulders, and knowing that your tomorrow is supported because of what you've done today. This is about more than just eligibility, it's about peace of mind and the joy of knowing you are in control. When you understand the criteria, when you see exactly how these programs work, you gain confidence. You no longer have to guess or worry about missing out. You can approach your retirement with clarity, certainty, and pride. Every piece of information you grasp is a step closer to freedom, a step closer to feeling that sense of achievement that comes from knowing you've done everything you can to secure your future. Picture the feeling of relief, the sense of excitement when you realize that the Canada Pension Boost in 2026 could make a real difference in your life. It's about feeling respected, valued, and acknowledged for your lifetime of effort. It's about embracing a future that feels safe, promising, and full of opportunity. This knowledge, this understanding, it empowers you to act, to plan, and to celebrate the rewards you've earned. Your effort matters, your contributions matter, and now it's time to see how it all comes together for you, making your 2026 pension boost not just a possibility, but a reality that can change your life. Now is the moment to feel empowered, to step into your future knowing that you have the information and control you need to claim what's rightfully yours. For years, many people have faced uncertainty about retirement benefits, wondering if they qualify, how much they might get, or whether they're missing out on something important. That uncertainty can be stressful, even overwhelming, because your future, your security, and your peace of mind are at stake. But today, that changes. Understanding your eligibility for the Canada Pension Boost in 2026 is not just about checking boxes or filling forms, it's about taking charge of your life, about turning confusion into clarity, and about feeling proud of the life you built through years of hard work and dedication. Imagine the relief and excitement you'll feel when you finally understand the full criteria. Imagine knowing exactly what steps to take, and having the confidence that you're doing everything possible to maximize your benefits. Every year you contributed, every dollar you invested, every late night, every sacrifice, it all adds up, and now, it's time for it to pay off in a way that's meaningful, tangible, and life-changing. The Canada Pension Boost and the Old Age Security Updates in 2026 are more than numbers. They're a recognition of your lifetime of effort, a reward for your perseverance, and a way to ensure your retirement years are filled with security, freedom, and peace. Feeling empowered isn't just about knowing the rules. It's about embracing a future where you can live confidently, make plans without fear, and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. It's about replacing doubt with certainty, stress with relief, and hesitation with action. When you understand your eligibility, you're not just preparing paperwork, you're claiming the reward you deserve, and you're creating a foundation of financial security for yourself and for your loved ones. Picture the joy, the peace, and the sense of accomplishment as you see your benefits increase. Imagine waking up knowing that your efforts are acknowledged, that your years of dedication are honored, and that your future is supported. This is more than money. It's pride, dignity, and freedom. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 can be a turning point, a moment where your hard work meets real, tangible reward. And you deserve every bit of it, because your life, your effort, and your contributions have always mattered, and now, they're being recognized in a way that can truly transform your retirement years. Now, let's take a moment to imagine what this boost could truly mean for you. Every single year, you've contributed to the Canada Pension Plan, every paycheck, every effort, every sacrifice has added up. And now, it's your time to feel that effort pay off in a real, tangible way. It's not just about receiving more money, it's about the feeling of security that comes with knowing your future is taken care of. It's about waking up each morning with a sense of calm, a sense of pride, and a sense of hope. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 is designed to honor everything you've worked for, and understanding your eligibility is the first step to making sure you don't miss out on what is rightfully yours. Think about the relief of finally having clarity. All the confusion about rules, forms, and criteria can melt away when you know exactly where you stand. Imagine the confidence you'll feel as you understand the steps you need to take to secure your benefits, and the excitement that comes with knowing that every year you worked, every effort you made, is being recognized and rewarded. This boost isn't just a number, it's a symbol, a tangible proof that your hard work matters, that your dedication counts, and that your future can be brighter and more secure than you may have imagined. This is about empowerment. It's about taking control and making sure you have all the information you need to maximize your benefits. It's about transforming worry into confidence, doubt into action, and hesitation into progress. Each moment you spend understanding your eligibility is a moment invested in your future, a moment that could change the way you experience your retirement. It's the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've done everything possible to claim what's yours, and the joy of realizing that your hard work is recognized and valued. Picture the sense of pride as you see your benefits increase, knowing that the government is supporting the people who have given so much over the years. It's about more than money. It's about security, freedom, and the ability to live your retirement with dignity and joy. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 could be the turning point that gives you the relief, the excitement, and the hope you've been waiting for. Your efforts matter, your contributions matter, and now it's your time to embrace the reward you've earned, to step forward with confidence, and to experience the difference this boost can make in your life. Think for a moment about all the years you've worked, all the effort you've put in, all the mornings you got up early, the late nights you pushed through, and the challenges you overcame. Every bit of it has mattered. Every contribution, every sacrifice, every moment of dedication has built the foundation for the life you live today and the retirement you deserve. And now, with the Canada Pension Boost in 2026, there's an opportunity to see that effort recognized in a very real, tangible way. It's not just about numbers or payments, it's about the sense of security, the relief, and the hope that comes from knowing your future is supported. Imagine the peace of mind you'll feel when you finally understand the full eligibility criteria, when the confusion and uncertainty disappear, and when you know exactly what steps to take to claim your benefits. This clarity doesn't just make things easier, it empowers you. It transforms worry into confidence, hesitation into action, and doubt into excitement. The Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security updates are designed to honor your hard work and ensure that every year you contributed counts. This boost is a reflection of your dedication, a reward for your perseverance, and a promise that your future can be brighter, safer, and filled with possibility. Picture the moment when you see your benefits increase. Imagine the relief of knowing that the government is recognizing your efforts, the excitement of realizing that you've maximized what you're entitled to, and the sense of pride that comes with understanding the value of all the years you invested. It's about more than just money, it's about freedom, it's about dignity, and it's about the ability to live your retirement with joy and confidence. This is your chance to take control of your life, to make informed decisions, and to ensure that you are fully prepared to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Every piece of information you gain, every step you take to understand your eligibility, brings you closer to a future filled with assurance and hope. It's the feeling of security knowing that your contributions are honored, the excitement of seeing your hard work rewarded, and the empowerment that comes from being fully informed. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 can be a turning point, a moment where your dedication meets real reward, where your effort is recognized, and where you step confidently into a future that reflects the value of everything you've done. You deserve this, and it's time to claim it with full clarity, confidence, and joy. Now is the moment to embrace the excitement and take action, because the Canada Pension Boost in 2026 is not just about numbers, it's about your life, your security, and your peace of mind. Think about everything you've achieved, all the years you worked hard, all the challenges you faced, and all the sacrifices you made. Every step you took has led you to this moment, a moment where clarity, empowerment, and opportunity meet. This is your chance to finally understand the full eligibility criteria, to know exactly what you qualify for, and to feel the confidence that comes from having the information you need to claim what's rightfully yours. Imagine the sense of relief when confusion turns into understanding, when uncertainty fades, and you see exactly how the Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security updates in 2026 can make a difference in your life. This is more than money, it's recognition. It's a reward for all the years you contributed, a reflection of your dedication, and a promise that your future can be brighter, safer, and filled with possibility. Every effort you made, every hour you worked, every challenge you overcame is valued, and now you have the opportunity to see that value transform into tangible support for your retirement. Picture the joy, the pride, and the sense of accomplishment as you discover what this boost means for you. The feeling of security that comes from knowing you've done everything possible to maximize your benefits, the excitement of seeing your hard work rewarded, and the empowerment of stepping into the future with full clarity, these are feelings that can change the way you experience retirement. This boost is a chance to replace doubt with certainty, worry with relief, and hesitation with action. It's about taking control of your life, understanding your rights, and ensuring that you can enjoy the retirement you've earned. Every piece of information you gather, every step you take to check your eligibility, brings you closer to freedom, confidence, and peace of mind. It's the assurance that your efforts are honored, the excitement of knowing that you're fully prepared to claim what you deserve, and the empowerment of seeing your future in a whole new light. The Canada Pension Boost in 2026 is more than just an update, it's an opportunity to celebrate your contributions, embrace the security you've earned, and step boldly into a future where your hard work is recognized and rewarded. This is your time to act, your time to claim what is yours, and your time to feel the excitement and relief that comes from knowing your efforts have truly paid off.